Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate travel companion. Today, we're diving into one of the Caribbean's most enchanting destinations, Aruba. Known for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Aruba is a paradise waiting to be explored. But if you're wondering how much a trip to this beautiful island will cost you in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything from accommodation and food to activities and transportation. We'll also share some insider tips on saving money while maximizing your experience. So grab your notepad and let's jump right in. Aruba is located in the southern Caribbean Sea, just north of Venezuela. This small yet diverse island boasts a unique blend of cultures influenced by its Dutch heritage, native Arawak roots, and a mix of Caribbean traditions. With its dry climate and year-round sunny weather, it's the perfect getaway for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Location: easily accessible from mainland US and major international airports. Climate: warm and sunny, with temperatures averaging between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. Culture: a unique cultural tapestry featuring festivals, music, and delicious local cuisine. Now let's talk about how to get to Aruba. Flights to Aruba can vary greatly depending on where you're flying from and when you book. Flight costs: expect round-trip tickets from major US cities to cost anywhere from $300 to $600. Keep an eye out for deals during the off-peak months of May to November when prices tend to drop. Airlines: major airlines such as American Airlines, Delta, and Southwest offer direct flights to Aruba. Pro tip: use flight comparison websites and set price alerts well in advance to snag the best deals. When it comes to accommodation, Aruba offers a wide range of options to fit all budgets, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hostels. Luxury resorts: if you're looking for an extravagant experience, expect to pay around $300 to $600 per night at high-end resorts like the Ritz-Carlton or the Hyatt. These resorts often offer all-inclusive packages that can provide great value. Mid-range hotels: for those who want comfort without breaking the bank, mid-range hotels are available for about $150 to $250 per night. Look for hotels that offer complimentary breakfast or activities to save even more. Budget options: traveling on a budget, you can find hostels and guest houses for as low as $50 per night. Websites like Airbnb also provide great options for renting apartments or homes, which can be particularly cost-effective for families or groups. Consider staying in Oranjestad or Palm Beach for easy access to various attractions. Aruba's culinary scene is as vibrant as its culture. From fine dining to local street food, there's something for every palate. Dining out: on average, expect to spend about $15 to $30 for a meal at a casual restaurant. For a mid-range dining experience, plan to spend around $40 to $70 per person, especially at beachfront restaurants that offer stunning views along with delicious meals. Local cuisine: don't miss out on traditional dishes like keshiyena, a stuffed cheese dish, and fresh seafood like catch of the day ceviche. Popular local restaurants include Zerover's and the Old Kunuku House for authentic Aruban flavors. Street food: if you're looking to eat affordably, check out local vendors offering tasty treats like pastichi, which are savory pastries, and fried plantains. Street food can cost as little as $5 to $10 per meal, allowing you to try a variety of local dishes without overspending. If you're keen on saving money, consider shopping at local grocery stores. Preparing some meals yourself not only reduces costs, but also gives you a chance to try cooking with local ingredients. Getting around Aruba is relatively easy and budget-friendly. Public buses: the local bus system is efficient and costs about $2.50 per ride, making it an ideal option for budget travelers. The buses run regularly between major tourist spots and downtown areas. Car rentals: for those wanting to explore the island at their own pace, renting a car is highly recommended. Prices typically range from $40 to $70 per day, depending on the vehicle type. Be sure to book in advance during peak seasons to secure your vehicle. Biking: Aruba is bike-friendly, with several rental shops available throughout the island. Renting a bike costs around $15 to $25 per day, which is a fun way to explore the scenic coastal areas. Pro tip: always check if your accommodation offers free parking if you're renting a car. Aruba is filled with exciting attractions that cater to all types of travelers. Beaches. The island is famous for its stunning beaches. Best of all, many beaches like Eagle Beach and Baby Beach are free to access. Bring your beach towel and enjoy the sun without spending a dime. Adventure activities. For adventure enthusiasts, consider budgeting around $50 to $150 for activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, or visiting the Arikok National Park, where you can hike beautiful trails and see breathtaking views. Cultural experiences. Don't miss visiting Oranjestad for its colorful buildings and local markets. Check out the Archaeological Museum of Aruba or take a guided tour through Fort Zoutman. Many experiences here are free or low cost. Pro tip: many attractions offer discounts for groups or family packages. Always check their websites ahead of time. Here are some quick tips for saving money while enjoying your trip. Travel off-peak. Avoid peak tourist seasons, December through April, for better prices on flights and accommodations. Eat like a local. Seek out local food spots instead of touristy restaurants. You'll find delicious meals at lower prices. Use public transport. It's an economical way to navigate the island while mingling with locals. Look for package deals. Sometimes booking flights and hotels together can save you money. Check travel websites for deals. Plan ahead. Research and plan your activities in advance. Many attractions offer online discounts. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how expensive Aruba can be while still enjoying everything this beautiful island has to offer. Whether you're lounging on pristine beaches, savoring local cuisine, or engaging in thrilling adventures, Aruba has something for everyone without necessarily breaking the bank. If you found this guide helpful or learned something new today, please take a moment to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo. Follow us on social media for more travel tips and inspiration, and check out our website at travelingkangaroo.com for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and happy travels. We can't wait to see you in our next adventure.